Hey everyone, Aaron from Ariens here, showing you how to assemble your brand new Ariens S18 single-stage Sno-Thro. Now, if you ordered your Sno-Thro online through a national retail chain store this season, it could show up in your driveway like this, in the same crate that we boxed it up in. And though I'm certain the thought of some assembly required isn't the most appealing to you, I'm here to walk you through the easy step-by-step assembly instructions. And trust me, if I can do this, so can you. So as long as you have a pair of safety goggles and some gloves ready, let's begin.
Open the crate and locate the setup guide that's in the bag attached to the handlebars. Cut the zip tie holding the bag and remove the setup guide. Each Sno-Thro comes with a pictorial assembly guide that can be referenced when assembling this unit. These instructions are a duplicate of the material we're covering in this video. You'll notice the setup guide calls out a T27 screwdriver. Cut the crate's edges so the walls collapse. Remove the oil bottle, the discharge chute, the chute handle, and the water guard from the cardboard insert at the rear of the unit and set those parts aside. Remove the packaging material from the unit and discard. Locate the literature pack inside the discharge opening and remove it. The literature pack contains your operator's manual, engine manual, and other important resources. Loosen the wing knobs, retaining the upper handlebars to the lower handlebars. Rotate the handlebars into the operating position and tighten the wing knobs. Remove the packaging material from the wire form coil on the right side of the handlebars. Locate the recoil starter handle, pull it out slowly, then wrap its rope around the wire form coil so the handle sits in the coil. Ensure the rope doesn't get caught on any of the engine controls. Remove the 3 tapping screws in the hardware bag supplied with the literature pack. Position the water guard over the discharge opening so its mounting holes align with the holes in the unit and that the arrow on the guard is facing forward. Install the discharge chute and the chute rotation handle so their mounting holes align with the holes in the water guard. Secure all parts to the unit with the 3 tapping screws from the hardware bag. Once all hardware is tight, turn the chute rotation handle to test the chute rotation and check the deflector function. Pull the control lever to check the cable tension. If the cable is loose when the handle is released and is taut when the handle is engaged, your tension is correct. If the tension isn't correct, it can be adjusted. To adjust the tension, pull the cable cover up and remove the Z-hook from the adjustment plate. To loosen the cable tension, install the Z-hook into a lower hole on the adjustment plate. To increase tension, install the Z-hook into a higher hole on the adjustment plate. Again, just ensure that the cable is loose when the control handle is released and is taut when the handle is engaged. Remove the oil fill cap at the rear of the unit. The unit is shipped without oil in the engine, so we'll need to add the oil from the bottle supplied in the crate. Rotate the unit forward just enough so a funnel can sit in the oil fill opening and position a support under the unit. Grab a funnel and wipe it clean of any dirt and debris. Insert the funnel into the oil fill and slowly add the oil. Once the oil bottle has been emptied, reinstall the oil fill cap, remove the support from under the unit and lower the unit into the operating position. And finally, you can remove any remaining packaging material from your unit. Your Sno-Thro is ready to use.
See, I told you that was going to be easy. Now, if you notice any quality issues with your new Sno-Thro, such as damage or missing parts, please contact the retailer where you purchased your unit from for replacements. And also, remember it's very important that you register your brand new product with us at ariens.com/registration. For help registering your product, find the product registration tutorial video on the Ariens YouTube channel. And finally, if you like this video and want to see more helpful content from Ariens, click on the subscribe button so you're notified every time we share a new video on servicing or using your brand new Ariens Sno-Thro on the Ariens YouTube channel.